Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to save an animation as a GIF in Krita. First, make sure your animation is complete and your timeline is properly set. Open the timeline docker and confirm your start and end frames are correct. Next, go to File, then Render Animation. In the Render Animation window under the Export as Video section, set your export type to GIF image. Choose your output folder and file name, then confirm if your FPS is correct. Before exporting, adjust the looping option if needed via the 3-dot button next to the Render As field. By default, GIFs usually loop infinitely, which is standard behavior for animated GIFs. Once everything is set, click OK. Krita will process the frames and generate your animated GIF. And that's how you save an animation as a GIF in Krita. Thanks for watching.